Did you know that you can customize your dashboard? It's easy in Go HighLevel. Adjusting your dashboard is a pretty easy thing to do. So we're going to go right here to this little pencil and we're going to click on that and we're going to say, well, let's move things around a little bit. I can add a widget right here. And let's see, I can add a widget for contacts. How many contacts? Contacts by source. You see, you have quite a variety here. You can embed code if you wanted, something particular. Add an image or a text box. Oh, and we have themes here. So, you can choose, specific color or create your own custom color. Appointments. We can, set up an appointment count. How many appointments? If we wanted to show up here, appointment count over date range, confirmed appointments, showed appointment, no show, canceled, or upcoming appointments for next week. So let's go ahead and add that. Upcoming appointments for next week. The metric is count, a number of appointments created on, and breakdown. Let's go for weekly. Advanced settings. You can adjust this by your, the booked for next week, or we can do yesterday, today, tomorrow, last week, whatever the case may be, and then save. And it shows up down here at the bottom. All your new widgets that you create will show up at the bottom. Now, say we don't want it to be there at the bottom. We want it to be at the top. So simply you see those little dots here? And you notice how my cursor changes to a hand? I could simply just drag and drop it to, another location. Say I want it there, or say I want it up higher, here, or even up here. Okay, and also I can delete, for instance, I can delete one of these widgets just by clicking on those little three dots, and that's gone. Now let's see if I can't move this here. Yep, there we go. Okay, so I hope that you enjoyed this quick tip from Real Leads Finder Pro. If you're new to Go HighLevel and looking for a way to shorten your learning curve and get up and running quickly, check out Real Leads Finder Pro's courses, offering step-by-step tutorials that you can follow along to quickly build and set up your Go HighLevel account automations. We also offer a course called Mastering AI Conversations, which will take you through step-by-step on how to set up an AI chatbot, AI live conversations, and many AI features you may not be yet aware of. So check us out at Real Leads Finder Pro under Courses for more information.